Gdje si?
Ja radim, znaš, čak sam se dobro utoplio.
I ja sam isto.
Bogan. Ovo, znaš kad je Zlaja ovo kupio, kroz ovo ništa ne ide, ovo je puna koža.
Ja.
On nije htio nositi rekruta.
Ja.
Kurac moj rane. I obukao sam zimskom u Bahlavu.
Jesam.
Ti sam isto to.
Nisam, imam vidiš ovaj neck protector, ja.
Ja imam obično onu tanku, baš za motor, nisam je našao.
Ja.
Debeli stavim.
I'm going to a soccer game. I'm going over the bridge to the Dartmouth side, so I figured I'll do a little video while I'm going there. This time I got one of my buddies with his bike with me, who plays soccer with me, so we'll get to see his bike here in a second. It is about 7:20, 7:30 right now, and I think it's about 5 degrees right now. Even though it's cold and it's still windy, I was like, what the hell, might as well take the bike, because the next few days it's supposed to rain and it's not good. There he is, look at that.
Lako nešto uzmiješ.
Ja bi se ubio sa tim. Ja bi se ubio.
Ne bi nija kad bi kupao sve ovako ovdje.
Ja. Ja.
Povuče rade.
Ova je dobar meni. Ide brz je, ali nije...
600, 750 može pomoći.
Ja.
I ovo je 600, ali ovo racing 120 konja.
Ja. He's got a real nice bike. He also has a Harley. That thing is so loud, my god. I'll take a picture sometimes and show it to you guys when he has it.
Da snimaš šta?
Snimam, ja. Ide na YouTube.
Ja?
Ja, bit ćeš na YouTube.
Ja malo ispred tebe, ja?
Stav, ja, malo. Digni ga.
Ne samo da ide na YouTube, ide u bolnicu.
U bolnici, ja. For some of you that don't understand Bosnian, what we talked there while we were waiting for the red light to change was I was telling him to pull a wheelie in front of me, and he was like, yeah, I'll pull a wheelie, then I'll end up in the hospital, so it's kind of funny. Such a nice looking bike he got. I'm jealous. It's all good though. I don't know if you guys can see the bridge over there. That's where we're heading to. Like I said a bit earlier, we're heading to Dartmouth across the bridge to go to a soccer game. And tomorrow is actually supposed to rain. I think for the next 2 or 3 days it's supposed to rain. So I wouldn't be able to shoot any videos until after that, right? Zima! Rukama! Nije imen. Malo.
Pa to ne vodi bez ruku.
A?
To ne vodi bez ruku.
Aj ti, probaj ti.
Ja mogu bez ruku, onda bez uma.
This is the bridge right now. Summertime, when it's like 7, 8-ish, when the sun is about to go down, it's a really nice view from here. It can get pretty windy up here, so the bike will definitely move left and right. Wow, that was a big hole. I don't know if you guys seen that. Just gotta catch up to him. Hopefully the audio is coming out clear because it sure is windy. The joy of living by the water. It's always windy. Going to be a fun ride home because it's going to get even colder. Thankfully I don't live that far away, so it's about a 15-20 minute ride. This is the first time I'm actually using the GoPro as it's getting darker, so I don't know how the footage will come out. Hopefully it's not too grainy. You can see Halifax, downtown Halifax over there. Nighttime, it's looks nice at night when you look from the Dartmouth side to Halifax. And we're here, the Dome. So where we play soccer, time to play some footy. Zima? Malo.
Malo, da.
Ja.
Malo očito je to protino, ali tu. Evo ti je zajebano prn kad si ovako utjegnuti sad. Mora se dići malo. Inače.
Ajmo.